get trading it. Tim Bigham's with us, option strategist, buy alerts. Tim, good morning to you. You have an example trade for us for Caterpillar this morning. Go ahead and explain.
Yeah, absolutely, Nicole. And Caterpillar certainly with the upgrade, seeing the stock up along with the rest of the market today. But the stock at overbought levels technically that have only happened twice in the past year. Both times marked significant short-term tops in the stock. We're seeing IV at only the 2% percentile, so option price is absolutely dirt cheap here as well. Also running into a little kind of overhead resistance at that 350 area. Yesterday's price action kind of hinted at that, traded up above it, closed lower. Today we're kind of holding out around there, chopping back and forth. So I think just given the move on this stock here recently, we're probably due for a pullback, and a pullback generally in the overall market, in my opinion. I think, the tariff relief rally maybe getting a little too red hot here. It's not like tariffs are going to be removed, right? They're just going to be at levels that a little more amenable to the market here. So I just think, that Caterpillar generally will have a pullback here somewhere along the way over the next month or so. So I'm just going out buying traditional June out of the money puts, the 330 strike, selling this week's May 16th 330 puts, paying right around $3 now for that trade, capturing a decent term structure voltage of about 10 points, buying about a 25 IV, which is very low, selling a mid 30 IV here. So really just playing for what I term a bad hair day in Caterpillar, and maybe the market generally, just given the fact I think overall everything may be getting a little bit too rambunctious to the upside, so maybe a slight pullback, which is all we need given the low IV on this trade.
Well, yesterday we saw a market that was rambunctious and soaring, jumping, surging. What do you think of the market action we're seeing of late, and where do you think it could be headed? Why?
I think that, it's hard to predict exactly, but the big round numbers, 5,000 proved to be the absolute low on the S&P 500. I think 6,000, to use that big round number, certainly may provide some serious overhead resistance here. And let's not forget that valuations on the market generally, and Caterpillar as well, are getting stretched here. S&P approaching 3 times price to sales, still over 20 times PE on a forward basis. And Caterpillar missed earnings last quarter. Yeah, they're looking forward and saying, things will be much better here. But I'm more of a wait and see sort of guy here. And interesting that Baird had a 309 price target before they raised it here. So I think they were kind of forced to raise their price target. We'll see if it comes to fruition or not, but I'm just really not hugely bearish on the market overall. I think we'll probably bleed out sideways to a touch lower here going forward as we enter into the kind of summer doldrums.
Okay, Tim Bigham, thank you so much. Option strategist at Buy Alerts. Thank you, Tim.